Hello guys, what's up? Um, we have reached to exercise number 12, and I would like to jump to the something new, uh, for loop, because we haven't touched any for loop on within these all these exercises we did. So I'm going to write another exercise, and this exercise is meant to count the positive number and negative numbers. So we count. If you put the negative numbers, then the program will count. If you put positive numbers, then the program will count, and also we get the total, and also we get the average of these numbers. So without further ado, let's get started. So create a new class, and the class we are on class number 13, and I'm going to create a method. Right now we have main method, and let's write our variables. And then because I'm gonna count positive, I have like int count positive, and I'm going to initialize to 0, and also int count negative is 0. And then we need count, and also we need total. Right, and then we need scanner. Control Shift or then you organize inputs. And now that we have the scanner, let's print something, like ask the user to enter something. Sys out, and this I would like to keep it short, print. And then enter an int value. The program it will exit if the input is 0. So if you type 0, then the program will exit. So and now let's use for loop. For the way you write for, if you have never used for loop, you should type for brackets, and then here we put what goes for three things: int num, which is number, and is equal to I would like to use input dot next, because this I'm using this scanner here. Use this object variable here to call this method or function, and that's number one. And number two, I'm going to evaluate this num should not be equal to 0. And then we also have to put num is equal to input dot next int. So it's very important you understand that for loop requires you to type three things here. If it's less than three things, then it won't work. And then within our curly brackets we need to have if statement. I'm going to say if num is greater than 0, then I need to this that means I'm counting positive, and then you add plus plus because it's a way of counting. So this one count, let's see, yeah, and then else if num if guess is less than 0, then what? Then we are counting negative. Then it should be plus plus. Okay, and then we add the total. Using the shorthand to add the total num, and then we count. Let's see, we need to initialize the total to 0, and then count, then it should be plus plus. Okay, and then this was the for loop here. Control Shift F, then you format the codes, and now let's see, you need to jump out of the for loop and we count, type another logic. If count is equal to 0, then what should I do here? I'm going to type sysout. I'm going to say, let's say you didn't enter any number. Okay, else I'm going to say sysout, and let me print the wanted to use new string builder, but let me use simple string, which is the number of positive is, and then you concatenate. This is not so recommended, but I'm just using it for here. That use plus. It's good to use the new string builder class to do this kind of stuff, to append these strings and all that. But now I'm going to use plus sign to concatenate this variable is count positive. Okay, and then I can copy this and do the same thing like 4 times, and then copy negative, count negative, and then total and average. And the total is, which is append here, average is plus, let's see, I need to typecast double and then to total times 1.0 and then divide by count, divide by double count. Let's see if I add the brackets here. Yep. So I just did it on the fly, but I convert this total to double, whatever I'm getting here to double, then I divide by the count. So if we save and try to run our program and then enter int value, so the more I type, you may type continuously until you reach whatever number you like. So if I put -2, -7, -8, so we see there are 3 negatives and 3 positive. If I type 0 now, type 0, that means I have to exit the program. Enter 0, then enter, then you get the number of positive is 4, the number of negative is 3, the total is -7, and the average is -1. So let's see, because of 0, that's why we have like 4 positive and we have the negative these 3. So let's see, try again. Okay, enter, -7, enter, and then 0. Okay, so the number of positive is 1, the number of negative is 1, and the total is 3, and the average is, so it's correct. I think the first program I ran, gave me a wrong answer, but here it shows the negative is 1. And okay, thank you guys for your time, and remember, subscribe and like, and bye bye.